What is up everyone, welcome to Team S channel, and in this video we will fix headphone jack not working or earphones not connecting problem in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus headphones problem, simply first of all just go to settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.